I to the sixth. How can I break up I to the sixth? And we just found I to the fifth to be what? We found that to be I. Okay. Or we could also do it like this. I to the third times I to the third. What was I to the third if we go back and look at those? I to the third was negative I. Okay. So we're going to come back here and say negative I times negative I. What would that come out to be? Just be what? I squared. And what is I squared? I squared is equal to what? Negative 1. Okay. And then from there you can figure out I to the 7th, I to the 8th. You know, as long as you know what I is and then I squared, you can do any problem. For example, you could do this. Even if you only knew what I was, which is the square root of negative 1, and you had something like I to the 7th, at the worst case scenario is that you would write down each of these 7 times. If you couldn't figure out anything else, there's 3 of them, and then you would go back with 4 more of them, and you would keep eliminating things until you were out of options. So there's 7 square roots of negative 1. So you know, if you group them together in 2s, that would give me negative 1. Negative 1. What's negative 1 and negative 1? Positive 1. So now you have positive 1 times negative 1. Negative 1. So now you have a negative 1, and what's this equal to, the last one? Square root of negative 1 is just what? I. So now you have negative I for the answer on that. So if that's the only thing you knew was I equals square root of negative 1, you could still put them all together. But it does help to know some of the ones above that to make it go fast.